Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into 35 life tips that everyone can benefit from. You know me, I like to keep things light and fun, but I also want you to lead your best lives. These are simple, practical, and can make a huge difference in your daily life. They've certainly helped me. So buckle up, get ready for some laughs, and let's get started. You know, like that feeling when you put on a fresh pair of socks? That's how every day should feel. Every single morning is a chance to start anew, to let go of yesterday's mishaps. Like that time I accidentally called Portia's yoga instructor Mom. It happens. But seriously, approach each day with a clean slate and see how much lighter you feel. Okay, before you click away thinking, Ellen's making me exercise now, hear me out. I'm not talking about running a marathon here. Even just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. A little dance break, some jumping jacks while you wait for your toast, every bit counts. And the best part, you'll have more energy to laugh at my jokes. Just like a beautiful houseplant, you need water to thrive. First thing in the morning, before you even think about that coffee, drink a big old glass of water. Your body will thank you for it. And no, coffee doesn't count as water. Trust me, I've tried. Chapter 4. Sugar? No, thank you, sugar. Now I love a good cupcake as much as the next person, but too much sugar is a real buzzkill. Literally. It can drain your energy and just make you feel blah. So, cut back on the processed stuff and see how much better you feel. Your body is a temple. Well, maybe not a temple, more like a really cool treehouse. But still, treat it with respect. Chapter 5. Forget the Joneses, you know those neighbors who always seem to have it all together, the perfect lawn, the fancy car, the perfectly behaved children who never ever spill juice on the white carpet? Well, guess what? They probably watch my show in their pajamas just like you. Focus on your own journey, my friend. Chapter 6. 10 Seconds to Zen. We all get angry sometimes, it's natural, but before you unleash your fury on some unsuspecting soul or a parking meter, take 10 seconds to breathe. Count slowly. Think of puppies. It works wonders, trust me. Chapter 7. Put the phone down. Seriously, I can wait. Social media will still be there in a few hours. Take a break from the digital world and reconnect with the real one. Go for a walk, read a book, have a conversation with a real live human. It's amazing how refreshing it can be. Chapter 8. We all make mistakes. It's part of being human. The key is to learn from them and move on. Dwelling on the past won't do you any good. So forgive yourself, learn from the experience, and move on to bigger and better things. Like that time I tried to cut my own hair, we don't talk about that. Chapter 9. Seriously, drugs are bad news. They're expensive, they're bad for you, and they won't solve your problems. If you're struggling, reach out for help. There are people who care about you and want to see you succeed. Chapter 10. Put that cigarette out. Smoking is like so not cool. It's bad for you, it makes you smell funny, and it's just plain gross. Plus, think of all the money you'll save by not smoking. You could buy yourself a whole bunch of cute shoes, or a new car, or even a small island. Okay, maybe not an island, but you get the point. Chapter 11. Love your clothes. Okay, I'll admit it, I have a bit of a clothes hoarding problem, but that doesn't mean you have to. Take care of your clothes and they'll last longer. Fold them neatly, hang them up, and resist the urge to buy a new outfit for every occasion. Your wallet and your closet will thank you. Chapter 12. Debt-free is the way to be. Debt is a real drag. It can weigh you down and make it hard to enjoy life. So, make a plan to pay off your debt as soon as possible. Start small, make extra payments, and celebrate your victories along the way. You got this. Chapter 13. Listen to your stomach. We've all been there. You're bored, you're stressed, and suddenly you find yourself elbow deep in a bag of chips. But before you reach for that snack, ask yourself, am I really hungry? If not, find something else to do. Go for a walk, call a friend, or organize your sock drawer. Anything but mindless snacking. Chapter 14. The 20-20-20 rule. Staring at a screen all day can really do a number on your eyes. So, here's a little trick. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It's a simple way to reduce eye strain and keep your peepers healthy. Chapter 15. Say no to sleeping pills. If you're having trouble sleeping, don't automatically reach for the pills. Try some natural sleep aids first, like a warm bath, a cup of chamomile tea, or counting sheep, and if all else fails, there's always my show to lull you into a peaceful slumber. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Chlorophyll? Like the stuff plants have? Yes, but trust me on this one. Liquid chlorophyll has a whole host of health benefits. It can boost your energy, clear your skin, and even make you smell like a fresh meadow. Okay, maybe not that last one, but it's still good stuff. Remember your mom always telling you to eat your vegetables? Well, she was right. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and nutrients that your body needs to function properly. Plus, they taste delicious. Well, most of them do, except for Brussels sprouts. Those are just wrong. I know, I sound like a broken record. But seriously, drink more water. It's essential for pretty much every bodily function. Plus, it's calorie-free and tastes way better than soda. This one's important. Always, always, always practice safe sex. Use protection, get tested regularly, and be responsible. It's not only about preventing unwanted pregnancies, but also about protecting your health. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can relax, unwind, and be yourself. So make it a space you love. Add some plants, hang up some art, and surround yourself with things that make you happy. You know that loose change that always seems to end up at the bottom of your bag? Don't let it go to waste. Start a change jar and watch your savings grow. You'll be surprised how quickly those pennies add up. Cooking at home is not only healthier, but it's also a lot cheaper than eating out all the time. And it's not as hard as you might think. There are tons of easy recipes online and on my website, EllenTube. Just kidding. Or am I? Don't be afraid to stand up for yourself. Whether it's in your personal life or your professional life, it's important to communicate your needs and boundaries. And remember, being assertive is not the same as being aggressive. There's a difference. You'd be surprised at what they put in some of the food we eat. So, take a few extra seconds to read the label before you buy something. Pay attention to the ingredients, the serving size, and the nutritional information. Knowledge is power. Sleep is crucial for both your physical and mental health. When you're sleep deprived, you're more likely to make bad decisions, get sick, and just generally feel crummy. So, make sure you're getting enough shut-eye. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Your body will thank you for it. Your body is pretty amazing. It can tell you when it's hungry, when it's tired, and when something's not quite right. So pay attention to the signals it's sending you. If you're feeling pain, don't ignore it. Go see a doctor and get it checked out. This one's non-negotiable. Always, always, always wear a seatbelt. No matter how short the trip, no matter how safe you think the road is, just buckle up. It could save your life. You know those hand sanitizer dispensers you see everywhere? Use them, and wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. It's one of the easiest ways to prevent the spread of germs. Social media can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but it can also be a major source of stress and anxiety. So, take a break from it every now and then. Unplug, disconnect, and focus on living in the moment. I know flossing can be a pain, but it's important. Flossing helps remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth, which can prevent cavities and gum disease. So do it. Your dentist will thank you. Next time you feel a sneeze coming on, do the vampire sneeze. Sneeze into your elbow instead of your hand. It's a much more hygienic way to sneeze, and it'll prevent you from spreading germs. Keep healthy snacks on hand at work or in your bag so you're not tempted to hit up the vending machine when hunger strikes. Some of my favorites are fruit, nuts, and yogurt. Chapter 33. Shop smart, shop full. Never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach. You're more likely to make impulse purchases and buy things you don't need. Eat a healthy meal before you go to the store and stick to your shopping list. Chapter 34. Embrace the criticism. Nobody likes to be criticized, but it's important to learn how to take constructive criticism gracefully. Listen to what the other person has to say, try to see things from their perspective, and use their feedback to improve yourself. Chapter 35. Dr. Google is not your friend. The internet is a great resource for information, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing health problems, don't rely on Dr. Google for a diagnosis. Go see a real doctor who can properly assess your symptoms and recommend the best course of treatment. Outro, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed these 35 life hacks. Remember, these tips are here to help you live a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. And remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly. Just pick a few things that resonate with you and try incorporating them into your daily routine. Every little bit counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and inspiring content. See you next time.